everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Today in this video we're going to use this red color of craft paper. We're making a beautiful design here. So fold the paper 3 to 4 times, again fold it and make this triangular shape. Now we're going to create the design on the top of it using pencil. Now take a scissor and start cutting it. We are creating this beautiful designs on the top of it. These type of designs are perfect for festive seasons like Diwali or so many other festive seasons as well, so you can use them for decor purpose. So keep cutting it from the side. Make sure you don't cut the top of the craft paper. After cutting the design, we are going to gently open it and it's ready. We're going to make a simple flower shaped design. So we're going to take this red color of craft paper, fold it like we're doing here in this video, and then we're going to make the triangular shape and hold it from the corners. First we're going to make the crease, so look carefully. After this we're going to hold the paper and draw a design on the top of it, as we are drawing a very simple design for the flower shape. So we're going to cut it like this from the corners and then from the inside as well. And look, it's done. After cutting the design, we're going to gently open it and look, your simple and beautiful design is ready. Here we're going to make a simple and beautiful design for decor purpose. So let's get started. First we're going to make the crease here. So we're going to make multiple fold and partitions of the paper. Open it and then again fold it and make the triangular shape. After this we're going to draw the design on the top of it using a pencil. Now take a small scissor and start cutting the design. As you can see, we're going to cut the top portion and then carve the rest design. Look how we're doing here in this video, and look, it's done. Finally we're going to cut it from the top portion as well. So hold the design and then flip it and it's done. Finally open it and you will get this beautiful flower shape. Here we're going to take this red color of craft paper. You can also take different color in place of this. Now make multiple fold and then we're going to make the triangular shape. After this we need this design, so we're going to draw this shape on the top of the design. We're using a pencil here. After drawing the design, take a small scissor and start cutting it. Look how we're doing here. Cut the back side of the design and then we're making the leaf pattern and remove them like we're doing here in this video. Keep cutting it like this and we're going to hold the design from the top portion as well. Finally we're going to flip it and look, it's done. Now gently open the design and look how pretty this design is looking. Let's make beautiful design using craft paper. These type of designs are perfect for decor purpose. You can make many of them and decorate it in so many ways. So we're going to take this red color of craft paper, make multiple folds like we're doing here in this video. We're making crease here. After this we're going to fold it further and make the triangular shape. Now we're going to draw the design shape on the top of it using a pen or a pencil. Take this scissor and start cutting the design. Look how we are doing here in this video. Hold it from the top and gently cut it. You don't have to cut the joint, so you have to cut it very carefully. After this we're going to hold the design from the top and gently open it. Look like this and the design is ready. The heart shaped design is done. Thank you so much for watching this video.